Morning, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about a farm. Hey everyone, Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. You've probably noticed over the last couple weeks we've really been organizing our business and putting sustainable, repeatable things in place to know what business is going to be coming our way. Now, today we're going to be adding a farm. Now, before anybody's like, oh, I hate farms, or I don't think that they require too much work, I'm actually going to even narrow it down even more than that. I'm going to challenge you to go door knock, and this is going to be the start of your farm. Now, I know most people probably just turn this off, and that's up to you. But for those few that are still watching, you are not going to regret this, okay? If you want one of the best ways to become an expert in an area, get business, I mean, seriously, just compound all your efforts, it's in a farm. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop in the MLS, and you're gonna find an area that you know is hopping, and you're gonna pick a certain neighborhood in that area that has had several sales in the neighborhood over the last several months of 100% asking price, as close to 100% asking price or more, and you're gonna use those. You're gonna print off that CMA, okay? Print off about 50 of them, okay? Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to that neighborhood and you're gonna start at one end of a street and you're just gonna start knocking, okay? Now, dress comfortably, put on some comfortable shoes. You don't wanna be all sweaty and nasty when you get to the people's door. Now, when you knock on the door, make sure you're ready to go beforehand, okay? So when you walk up, have a smile on your face. You never know, they might be watching you come up, okay? Have a smile on your face, come up, knock, 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 or ring the doorbell, and wait. Make sure you have that smile waiting for them, right? Now, when they open the door, you easily come up. Hey, so-and-so, my name is Josh Ezell. I'm with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a great day. Really quick, popping by, are you the homeowner? They'll be like, blah, 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 may or may not be, right? And you simply say, fantastic. Do you know how amazing home values are in our neighborhood right now? And you hand them the CMA, right? From there, you go down your list. These homes, and try to figure out where they are in the neighborhood. Your neighbor over here on Bird Street sold his home in 7 days for $5,000 over asking price. So-and-so over here sold his home at 100% asking price within 2 weeks. Over here, they sold their home in less than 2 weeks for 2% over asking price. Have you thought about selling your home? Some variation like that. That's just one version, right? Enthusiasm, market knowledge, and talking about the neighbors in the area and how it could purposely benefit them. Chances are there's not enough homes available in your neighborhood, and they really should list their home right now, right? If you go down and hand out all 50 of those, I can almost guarantee something good will happen. All right, let me know what you do. I know this was a long one. I know most people are not going to fulfill it, but those who do, you are going to get the rewards for all of your efforts. If you need help and you're in the Phoenix area, want a partner, give me a call. I love door knocking. All right, put your results below. Please share this tidbit. Have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow.